What's going on, man? Starting today off with a dead battery and a Red Bull. The Red Bull is for my dead battery, and the jump pack is for the Suburban's dead battery. So the battery I had in here, I couldn't get the jump at all yesterday, so now I have, this is the battery that was in that Tahoe that we got the 5.3 out of, so it actually had some juice, but it wasn't fully charged, you know what I mean? There it goes. All right, back at the house, man. Spent all day yesterday. Junior came over and he helped me like kind of go through all the stuff in the backyard. Got a bunch of stuff taken to the scrap yard. That's where I had to go with the Suburban right now. So paid $100, you know, in scrap metal, but it is what it is. Yeah, that's why there's no video yesterday. Just trying to freaking get the backyard cleaned up again. Got a bunch of stuff in here. I ran to Walmart yesterday. My grocery getter. I also got like some wax stuff and some like leather conditioner stuff. I don't know where it's at. I gotta get all this stuff out. I'm gonna feed the dogs really quick and I'll get back with you.
You said I needed to pay you to come fix my car? There you go.
Nice! Nice! Did you really buy this little box of White Claws? Is that Jaeger? Bro, how are we gonna get anything done today?
Oh, I got my Red Bull.
When we go live.
Fuck!
Huh?
I got half a Red Bull.
Whenever we go live?
For the fucking...
Oh, for the giveaway?
We're
gonna get drunk whenever we're drawing to give the giveaway winner. Speaking of, with the giveaway, we're waiting to get the last of the orders out, in which he just got out today. So we got to organize and go through and get all your guys' names on a little piece of paper and all, in which I think you already started, right?
Yeah.
But we just got to double check and triple check and make sure all your guys' entries are in there. They're going to be drawing a winner here Monday night, dude. We're just going to say it, Monday night. Yeah?
Okay.
All right, Monday night, we're gonna go live and we're gonna do the giveaway. So we'll be drawing a name for the seats live on Monday. So make sure to keep an eye out for it. And Josh says that we're drinking.
Drinking, bro.
We're drinking. Is Junior gonna be here? Drinking some White Claws?
I'm gonna rate that.
When I was at Walmart, I grabbed a few things. Some quick detailer for whenever I wipe the car down. Supreme Shine. It is just to wipe the interior down. I didn't have any interior stuff, so. And this is leather conditioner. So yeah, I have a car now that has freaking leather seats. So I'm gonna see what that'll do. And this was like the only freaking wax that they had there. So I just grabbed it. Hell yeah, try to shine the rest of the car up a little bit. This is all for the BMW, if I didn't mention that. And some little freaking trees, cause this man still hasn't got us our own yet.
Oh, you mean the air fresheners I just ordered?
The air fresheners you want?
That I just ordered?
You just ordered air fresheners?
Air fresheners coming soon to the channel?
Hell yeah. So I'm guessing that I'm just gonna spray this shit all over the seats and let it kind of, oh, damn, my keys. Oops. Yeah, I'm guessing I'm just gonna spray this shit all over the seats and let it just kind of soak. Come back and wipe it. I don't know if you're supposed to get this all over the seatbelts too or what, man. I don't freaking know. But I'm just sending it. I'm hoping to kind of get rid of like this dry, like cracked look. I know, I mean, the cracks are already there. You're not going to do anything about it, but I don't know. Maybe it'll just soften it some to where it doesn't continue cracking more or get worse. Maybe this thing will help kind of rub it into the seats. I don't know. I ain't never done this before, if it's not obvious. Damn, son, look at that shit. That'd make a huge difference, man. I'm not even kidding. So it's like absorbing into the areas that are cracked and like making it darker so it doesn't stand out nearly as bad. So definitely a big difference. I don't know. I'm gonna let this stuff kind of really, well, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down and then hit it again because I don't think these have been conditioned in a really long time. So I don't think I can like overdo it, you know what I mean? Anyhow, got the whole back seat all wiped down, which came out all freaking shiny, bro. Look at that shiny ass seat. And it's got like a smell to it, like it makes the leather, like you can smell the leather. It's pretty dope. But anyhow, got carried away and just kind of started tearing the trunk all apart. Got all the carpet and everything out of here. I don't know if you guys remember, but I mentioned whenever we were cleaning this car a while back how dusty it is. Look at this, bro. But I wanted to tear into it because I wanted to see what was going on with the damn wiring, bro. Look at the wiring for this amp. There used to be this dollar store by my house like years ago that had freaking speaker wire, and I used to go there to get speaker wire to like run speakers around inside of my bedroom. Like I'm talking about when I was like 12, 13 years old, man. Like I was young. This looks just like that damn dollar store speaker wire, which is hilarious. But I mean, it's a decent amp, right? But the problem is they have this amp running these two 6.5s that are up here, and then it also goes to the subwoofer. If you turn the stereo up at all and like try to get some volume, it cuts out. Like the amp just shuts off, like it's overpowering something, I believe. Either that or like they have a really skinny power wire running to it, and then this is the freaking ground for it. They ran the ground all the way to the battery, which I mean, I guess the battery is in the trunk, but then again, it'd been just as easy just to ground it to the chassis over there. But this is a really skinny ass ground. Look, there's a butt connector. Oh no, it's not a butt connector. It's the little cover for that crimp connect they have on the end there. But anyhow, I know that ground is definitely way too damn skinny. I don't freaking know what in the hell this is. I ain't never used one of these things before, but go ahead and shut these really quick. This is fixing to get dusty. I don't want that going all inside of the car. Bro, that's freaking nuts. Alright, so I think I figured this thing out, man. This is one of those, like, because this has a stock stereo in it, and it doesn't have any, like, RCA outputs to actually run an amplifier. So this thing, you actually run your speaker wires into, and it converts it into a RCA output. So then you just run the speaker wire inputs, like, well, the output from the deck that normally would go straight to the speaker. Those, which, like right here, this is this is going directly to the stereo, and then it comes down and it goes into this thing, and then as well as that side comes down and goes into this. So then that converts it over to an RCA output, and then it has, oh, they used a splitter, so instead of using it for one RCA output, they're using it for two RCA outputs. So then it splits off and goes to input of the amp, the RCA inputs, and then the outputs, they are using one for the subwoofer and then one for these two 6.5 speakers that are mounted in the back. Just a big old jumbled up mess, bro. That's a CD changer, isn't it? Son of a bitch. What the hell? Is this a CD changer? Where do you put the CDs in at? Or is this the stock amp? Dude, I don't know what the hell is going on here. Oh, hold up. What the hell? That was just a ground. Oh, it says amp. Okay, so that's the factory amp. Dude, this shit's weird, bro. Anyhow, yeah, this is just a big old jumbled up ass freaking mess, bro. Like, I'm wanting to fix it right now, but to be honest with you, I didn't want to spend this much time on this car today. I just wanted to kind of clean it up a little bit, and one thing led to another, and here I am freaking pressure washing the carpet to the trunk and contemplating on completely redoing all the wiring for the amplifier. No, I'm not doing it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not doing this right now. We will do this another day. All right, there it is with the wiring all cleaned up. This is about as good as I'm gonna get it without just completely tearing it apart and redoing the whole entire thing. So, which I eventually will. I want to run all new wiring to the actual speakers because I don't like this really cheap ass wire, and probably a larger gauge going to the amp as well as a larger gauge ground. But for now, I mean, at least the wiring is all cleaned up. It's not just a freaking rat nest going all over the place. Like, this is basically all the same stuff that they were using. I cut probably 4 feet worth of wire off and just mounted everything up here in a different position and then turned the amp a different direction, like, and then bam, it's not all over the place taking up half the damn trunk. And this wire right here I have going up here, this is for the actual subwoofer. So now I got to put the carpet and everything back in, if it's dry anyway, and put the spare tire. I got the trunk all cleaned up, man, and I got it all put back together. Luckily, that carpet dried really fast. Fixed the damn wiring, which I really didn't want to get into today. If I'm being honest, dude, I didn't plan on working on this damn car all day like this. I just wanted to kind of skim over the interior and kind of dust the trunk, and now I'm like full-blown detailing the damn interior. But so I used my leaf blower and kind of blew most of the crap out of the inside. You guys know we already kind of like conditioned the seats. I'm gonna end up having to wipe them all down once again once we're done here. But now I'm going through and using this brush, using this circled brush on my drill, and just hitting all the carpet because it breaks up all the dirt that's like embedded in, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm taking my air nozzle and just blowing it out really good. So once I do that, then I'm gonna have to come back and vacuum really good as well. All right, so I broke my brush. Look, it just spins. That centerpiece just spins now. It doesn't spin the brush. I thought maybe it came loose, but nope, it's screwed. But it's all good. I made do, and I got the carpet all done. I just had to use my compressor and the vacuum and just really blow it out and suck it up with the, blow it out and suck it up, right? That's how you solve all the problems of the world now. But moving on, I have a clean rag and I have my little scrub brush and I have super clean, but this is diluted. I think it's a little bit less than half of super clean and then the rest water. And I got this for scrubbing. Let's see if this has a fan. There we go. And I got this. I'm gonna go through and scrub all this plastic. Yeah, look at that, dude. That was all white. Anyhow, like, look at this center console. It's got a bunch of shiny spots on it from me slinging that leather conditioner around earlier, but I'm going to completely hit this damn thing. I'm making one of those wannabe TikTok videos, right? Bro, look what it did to that ashtray. It turned it all yellow. That is gross. Oh my god. Ooh, yeah, that's really dirty, bro. I hope you guys see the color that's coming out of that. I might end up having to vacuum again after this. Bro, look at this. Oh, that's gross. It didn't even look that bad, you know what I mean? All right, I'm not gonna lie, I think I need to dilute this a little bit more. It's still pretty strong. All right, I diluted it a lot more. That's probably about 25% super clean. The rest, a little bit of warm water from the sink. This stuff is strong, bro. You really don't need it to be that strong whenever you're working on something like this. I mean, in most cases, I use it in full strength, like whenever we're doing engines and all that, or degreasing transmissions, or doing the tires, or whatever. But the truth is this stuff is really strong, bro. So like working on interior, you can just dilute this stuff down. It'll last you freaking forever, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna come through and do the door panels and everything with this. Now, whenever I pressure wash a door panel like this, I mean, yes, I know there's a speaker there. I've seen it commented before. There goes that speaker. Guess what? That speaker was fine. Along with these speakers. These speakers are also gonna be fine. I don't, you know, I use common sense. I kind of spray it in downwards motion. I don't spray the grill where the speaker's at like directly, so I'm not damaging the speaker, you know what I'm saying? But I have never once had an electrical issue with either my windows or my mirror controls or anything electrical on a door panel just because I have pressure washed it or gotten it wet. I'm not saying it's not possible, but I personally have never had a problem with it. So, but anyhow, from pressure washing this, my little pocket right here has gotten a puddle of super clean and water down in there, so I'm using this to my advantage. I'm taking my brush and I am scrubbing it and getting all the like built up crap out of there, and then I'm gonna use my vacuum and I'm gonna suck it all out, so then it'll be good and dry. I mean, not good and dry, good and clean. Alright, we went through and we have cleaned everything. If you can tell by my rag that once used to be white. I'm gonna grab a new rag and now I'm gonna go through and everything that we cleaned, I'm gonna wipe it down with this Supreme Shine High Gloss Protectant. Just to, you know, give it that shiny look. Well, there it is, man. The interior is a little bit better than what it was. I mean, it's not nothing impressive, like crazy impressive, but I know I can definitely tell a difference because like all the little crevices and everything just had like dust built up, and like the seats and the panels all just have a little bit more of a shine to it, you know what I'm saying? But anyhow, I went ahead and I took a bunch of pictures of the car right now because I think I'm gonna go ahead and just post it up for sale. I mean, it's nice, bro. I'm thinking in my head like I would like to keep it as a daily, but at the same time, like I have the S10 I need to finish. I have khaki that needs work. I have the Suburban I can drive as a daily. We also have that Bel Air back there. Like I have so many projects that I could invest the money into if I was to sell this thing. So I'm just gonna play with it, man. I mean, it's not gonna hurt it to just go ahead and post it up, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna kind of price it on the high side, so I don't recommend any of you guys trying to buy it from me, but I'm gonna try to get kind of on the higher end of it, or put it up for trade. Who knows, somebody might trade it for something cool. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you notice, the EK is also sitting in the driveway. That's because Braven's gonna come over. Well, he already did. This is like, he was already over. It's another video. You guys will see on Monday. Anyhow, we did a little bit of work on his car, and I got the EK out of hibernation and started getting it cleaned up because the giveaway is coming soon. Very soon. Peace.